think I'll have a little bite to
You
eat
see,
here.
we have a few little stragglers that got stuck behind the fence over here.
The cowboys are for.
We're actually doing a job standing here.
Yeah, we're kind of keeping them in line. I think that's a little faster than I thought.
Oh, there comes the mom and baby.
They're taking the scenic route.
I'm surprised there's no one on horseback.
Behind, yeah.
We have seen them taking the golf cart and just bringing a mother and a calf.
Oh, really?
Boy, she's massive.
They are huge.